In this video, I'm going to show you how you can find your WhatsApp storage details. So if you want to see the data and storage file size of your WhatsApp, it's pretty simple. Just follow these steps. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, to get started, go to WhatsApp, and from WhatsApp, head over to ellipsis here for more options and choose settings. Under settings, scroll down until you see storage and data. Now from here, tap on the first option, manage storage. This will go ahead and highlight all the used data plus the free space on your WhatsApp. As you can see, I have here 458 MBs for WhatsApp and 80 GB for others, and I have 32 GB free. And below, you will be able to see the storage details. You'll see which accounts are consuming most of your data. So that's how you can find your WhatsApp storage details. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.